Look at her, how she is protecting us, holding us with her intelligence, with her strength and compassion for us. That's the way we should be. Our celestial gatekeeper, protector, understanding her nature, understanding her phases, understanding her effects, her laws, how it works, how the wind comes, blow hard or soft, how the water of the ocean moves, what time the storm is gonna come. You have to understand all these different laws, events of the universe, of Mother Nature. Then you become her gatekeeper to protect her. That's again with love. This is the Mother Nature, the gatekeeper. Look how much patience she has in order to protect us from any harm, any danger. This is the way you need to be, to understand her phases, understand her changes, understand her needs, understand all the effects of different celestial events. Then you will become the gatekeeper. Visit Anchorage, Alaska. Should be your next destination to explore Alaska. It is extremely cold. Oof, I'm almost freezing. Oh my gosh. Journey of the spirit. Should never give up. Always be brave souls. Be very, very strong. Just like Mother Nature. Whew. Almost there. Oh gosh. There's many lodges here for the tourists. See, oh gosh, so beautiful. This house. Oh gosh. Beautiful. This is Anchorage Museum at Rasmussen Center. Ooh. Beautiful. Wow. You're in front of the Anchorage Museum. Wow. Can't wait to explore this one also. That'll be another great adventure. I'm in front of the Anchorage Museum. Can't wait to see this one also. Beautiful, right? This is the Anchorage Museum. And in front of the museum. Beautiful. This life is all about journey of the spirit. Never be afraid to explore everything as much as possible. Be that fearless spirit. So, welcome to Anchorage Museum, Alaska. Beautiful, beautiful Anchorage, Alaska. Everywhere there is a symbol of Mother Nature, her resources, to be her gatekeeper, to protect her. Beautiful, beautiful. Must have to come to Anchorage, Alaska, no matter what.
Temperature on the van okay? Warming up, about 2 seconds. All right, you can hear me okay in the back there? All right, Tony, awesome. I'll go over the route that we'll be taking today. Let me first introduce you to